Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today, as promised, I'm going to show you this build a drone that I've built out of sort of Lego, if you can see, and it's strapped together. This it took me around about 10 minutes to actually do this. I had no problems, but the only problem that I had is when I flied it outside, I kept losing the pieces, like the Lego pieces. They keep falling off, and then they're hard to find outside. So that's the reason why I'm doing it inside. So I wouldn't. This is not a drone that you can really fly outside, because once you've lost the pieces, I mean they're hard to actually find. So I wouldn't fly this outside. I would always fly this indoors. That's one of the things. Yeah, it looks like a really strong drone now. Got the blades here at the front, and at the back. These propellers, they go into slots each side, the bottom, to power them. And these two at the front here are lights. And now there is a camera version of this. This is not the camera version, but there's a camera version of this one, and the camera goes there. So that's the reason why there's no camera there. But so on another version that they've got a camera there, so that's why this one got a camera. I'm going to try to fly it, but as I say, it's hard to fly. And obviously I'm indoors, it's like I haven't got much room or nothing like that, so I'll just try my best to show you it working. Put it on there. This is the controller. And obviously it takes 3 AA batteries at the back here. But they don't come with AA batteries, so you need the batteries. Let's turn it on. To turn it on, you always have to plug the battery in here. Then when you know it's on, it blinks like that. And when it's paired to the controller, it'll stop blinking. So when it's paired to the controller, turn it on. Right, it's paired now because it stopped blinking. I'm just gonna try to, like I'm saying, I'm just gonna try to show you. It's going up. But as I say, it's really hard to fly. So I mean, let's try it again. Straight for you. I'm trying to show you so you can actually see it for yourself. This is the reason why I didn't have it outside, because when I keep trying to fly it, it just keeps falling over like that. Then I'll lose the pieces. Then I'm like looking around the garden for the pieces. So that's the reason why I don't fly it outside. But obviously I'm actually just had this. I need to learn how to fly it, but I mean, it is quite hard. I mean, obviously because I've never had one before, that's another thing. So I'm just trying my best. Let's have a go, another go. Oh. And now pieces have floated off. So there you go. Pieces have floated off. So every time I recommend you, I know you should probably do, but I would recommend you probably glue the pieces on, just to stop them. If you want to fly outside, glue these pieces on, because otherwise you just fall to the ground and they'll find them again. So, and as you can see, I've lost 2 pieces. 2 of the bottom pieces have come off, and I've got to find another one somewhere. It's in the slot somewhere. But I mean, it's great for kids, see them learn. I mean, probably if you learn how to fly, I'll probably fly it better. But I've also lost one of the propellers. Yeah. I hope you found something useful anyway. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.